Have you ever wondered if essential oils are really effective at cleaning? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you why essential oils are a great natural alternative to conventional cleaning products. For more information and DIY recipes for cleaning products, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I add a new video. I am a wife and mother of 5 kids ranging in ages from 7 to 16. It's my responsibility it's healthy and safe. Over the last 7 years, I've been incorporating essential oils into my daily routine to do just that. I've learned that combining essential oils with other simple, natural products like vinegar, baking soda, and castile soap, I can keep my home clean and toxic free, which makes for some healthy and happy kids. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons you should be cleaning with essential oils. The first reason is they are natural and safe. doTERRA specific essential oils go through rigorous testing and protocols to ensure that they are pure and natural. So when we're talking about essential oils here on this channel, we're not talking about just any oils. We're talking about doTERRA oils specifically because of their purity and their potency. There is no adulteration and no synthetic products in these oils. So the first reason is because they are natural and safe to use around your family. The second reason you should be using essential oils in your cleaning products is because they are effective and they are potent and powerful. Many essential oils contain cleansing properties just simply because of their chemical makeup. Essential oils have unique molecular compositions that create these benefits. When you use essential oils for cleaning, you're relying on their natural chemical components to provide cleansing and purifying power. The third reason that you should be using essential oils in your cleaning products is because they provide a great natural alternative to dangerous chemicals. Have you ever read the label on the bottle of cleaning supplies? They are filled with so many chemicals that could put your family at risk. The beauty of essential oils is that they are so pure and safe. The chemical constituents of them are natural. They are found in plants, roots, flowers, petals, stems, all different parts of the plant will give us an essential oil. If you have small children or just want to ensure your family isn't being exposed to unnecessary toxins and chemicals every day, essential oils provide a safe, natural solution for keeping your space clean. Often, one essential oil can be used for a variety of jobs, from cleaning the kitchen to the bathroom, refreshing the air, or getting rid of a sticky mess, helping with laundry, and so many more things. Essential oils can be used to make your own cleaning agents, tailoring to your personal cleaning preference. And I'm going to show you how to make some of those cleaning products. So be sure to hit the subscribe button or click on the bell so that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. The 5th reason that you should be using essential oils in your cleaning products is because they have a beautiful aroma. Using essential oils with uplifting, refreshing, and invigorating scents will make your home feel extra clean. So let's review. The 5 reasons to clean with essential oils are: number 1, they're natural and safe to use in the home. Number 2, they're potent, powerful, and effective. Number 3, it's a great alternative to cleaning products with dangerous toxins and chemicals. Number 4, they are versatile and affordable options for cleaning. And number 5, they have clean and lovely aromas. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified each time I add a new video. If you want my green cleaning recipes, there's below that will give you access to download my free green cleaning guide. Also check out my other videos for DIYs that show you exactly how to make each recipe. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.